Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Magroot Gun in Abyss Roblox. So the Magroot Gun is finally here, and this volcanic powered weapon is essential if you want to explore the harder zones in the Abyss game. And I'm going to show you the location where you can get it. So first, for the location, the Magroot Gun is located inside the Spirit Roots, and in here I've already arrived in the Spirit Root Hollow. So what you need to do is just find Lumi in here in front of the teleporter, and you'll see on the right side in here, this is the Magroot Gun, and you can buy it for 47,000 cash. So if you want to get it, just purchase it. You can just here click on yes, and now you'll get the Magroot Gun. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.